Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to connect your domain name to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account, then go to websites. And as you see here, I have two websites built using Hostinger Website Builder, and this one is still using the temporary domain, which is this long. nycpizza.builder.preview.com. Okay, how to connect your domain to your website built on Hostinger Website Builder. Next to the same website, click on Edit Website. And here you will see this button called Connect Domain. Just hover over it like this. This window pops up, click on Change Domain. Here, fill in the domain name that you want to connect. In my case, it's benchtestsite.com. Then, yes, this is the domain. This domain is registered, and here, after filling the domain name, let's retype it. Let's redo it from the start. benchtestsite.com. Here, wait a moment. Next to the domain you've just typed, you will see a sentence. Here it says registered at another Hostinger account, which is true. In your case, if the domain name is registered elsewhere, it will show something like, do you own this domain? Whatever the case, click on the domain name from this list. And then you will see, in my case, we found your domain on Hostinger, verifies domains ownership to continue. How to do this? Copy this txt record below to your domain's DNS zone to verify the domain's ownership. Okay, let's apply this. Copy this code. I'm now inside the other Hostinger account, and this is the domain that I own. Next to it, I will click on Manage. Then go to DNS/name servers. Click on yes, look for Manage DNS records. And here for the type, select txt. And then I will fill in this txt value, and then click on add record. DNS record created successfully. I will return to this page. As you see here, wait around 10 minutes for the txt record to propagate and click next. Okay, I will click on next without waiting. txt records do not match. So here I am forced to wait around 10 minutes, which is totally normal and usual, because DNS changes requires a little bit of time to show up all over the world, all over the internet world. Okay, I will get back after around 10 minutes. txt records do not match. It's been around 5 minutes. Let's click on test or next. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. It's been around 5 minutes. Let's click on test or next. And as you see, domain added to my site. The domain Ben's test site was added to your website. It's time to build your online success. Click on continue. And just like that, if let's view my website using the new domain, my new .com domain. Let's give it another try. And just like this, the website started using the new domain. And this is how to connect your .com domain or domain name to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.